akin na, Lord, kung wala ka doon, ayoko na doon. No? So in the same way with us here, parang, are you willing to do something? I don't know kung anong meron kayo, kung may mga bagong opportunities with you, may bagong challenges with you. Can we do the same? Can we ask the Lord, Lord, kasama ba kita dito? If not, Lord, wag na. I remember last year, merong nag-offer sa akin ng new job. It was a very luxurious job, a very high position. And pinag-pray ko talaga siya. Kasi hindi naman ako nag-apply, but the chairman approached me. And parang yun na lang naman na quiet time ko every day. Lord, ayoko magkamali. Kasi I've been with this company where I am now for 14 years already. Pero tell me kung nandun ka ba? Actually, exactly ito yung verse na to, kung nandun ka ba. And then, very clear na sige, go, proceed ka na. And then, nung the next day, when I was about to decide na I was given until that day to get back to them. The next day, magde-decide, to today, Lord, ang instruction mo sa akin, go na tayo, tuloy na ako. Pero something happened during that day, nung magpapaalam na sana ako sa company or sa boss ko. Yung